You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -20. Let's solve it step by step. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract x from both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 3 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2 over -1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -20.